$100 challenge, Ollie's edition. You already know I love Ollie's, but today we're gonna show you how much money you can make with $100. Let's get it.
Absolutely no label.
This shit is trash. It's just no motion on it. Amazon is on that. Got that shit selling for $15. Keep pushing.
I don't really need none, but I have
What up, Trapper? If you're interested in learning how me and my team can help you start and scale your Amazon business, click the link in my bio to book a 100% free call. We'll walk you through everything. See you soon.
Damn. These little kids are gonna get some trash Christmas presents this year. What the fuck is this? 30 bills? Yeah, got some shit on it. Shit been in here for months. What is this?
Attention all these shops, the fancy store prices.
They have a 6-pack of this going for $24. But it don't have that many reviews. Because if it has like one review, that means that it don't have that much motion. It don't have enough motion to. The sales rank's probably high. Probably has low sales. Chocolate mint. Sounds trash. This thing is fucking cracked out. Of course, they're not accepting applications. $8 buy cost, $36 sale price, $16 profit, 200% ROI.
But you're restricted.
Yeah, I can't sell it. The peppermint stick. Not profitable. Why not sell this? Sell it 1 time a month on Amazon. 2-pack of these for $26. $8 selling 3 times a month. Boy said these were actually selling. Yeah, this is a cook. $6.79 is the price. So how many can I get? 14. $130 profit. Fuck you mean? Alright, $100 challenge is gonna be done. I didn't do much talking today, but it's cool because you guys get the idea. $100 challenge. I'm getting these for $6.79, selling them for $26. More than doubling my money. Nothing else to talk about. Nothing left to talk about.
Juliet to the front, Juliet to the front.
10, 12, 14. Let's run the numbers really quick one more time. $6.79 buy cost. I can get 14 units for $95. They are selling for $26 each. After all shipping and fees, I make $9.30 off every sale. So my total cost is $95. The total sale price for selling all of them will be $363.86. And I'll profit $130. Double my money real quick in 5 minutes. More than double my money. I could keep searching and finding shit, but that would defeat the purpose of this video. Oh shit.